Hello, my name's Jack and welcome to Loud Noise of the Week. Well, the first ever Loud Noise of the Week. Well, first of all, you're going to need a belt. Preferably kind of a thick one or a thin one, doesn't really matter. Grab it like this, push, and pull. Oh, look, gosh, I'm doing it again. Thank you for tuning. You know what? I heard that subscribe button said a joke about your mama. Really fat, ugly joke. So click it and punch it like you mean it. Thank you. God damn it.